We start by opening the two legs forming the base of the table. These two rods will be used as a support for the base. They easily clamp onto each one of the legs, forming a solid foundation. They are also used as a support for the bottom shelf. Notice the L shape. It is used to lock in and hold the side of the table, then pull up and lock in the support. And this half shelf will be used for the stove. Insert the stove from the bottom, slide in the bases for the stove. There are about 4 pieces. And we're all set.